Okay, so step one, we need to download the data and open it in Excel. So if you go to the class web page, you should see the data right here, and you can click on that. And I'm going to put this in a new folder on my desktop. And I haven't created a folder for this class yet. We really haven't needed it yet, but you'll need it again for several other labs. So let's just do that now. And I can make a folder for Excel Lab 1. You don't have to do any of this. I won't know one way or another. It's just going to help you stay organized. And I'm going to save this animals.csv file in that folder. So now we want to open this up in Excel. So I'm going to go to my home page. So there's different ways depending on what version of Windows you have, or if you have a Mac. You want to open Excel. And I'm going to open a blank workbook. And if I go to search, say open my computer, I want to browse. Okay, mine was on the desktop, and I made that folder called CSC 180, Excel Lab 1. And notice you don't see the file at all, and that's because it's a different file type. It was not an XLX or an XLSX. Instead, it was a CSV. So what I need to do is I'm going to click on this little tab right here. And a couple of things, we could find CSV in here. It's much easier just to say all files. I want to see all the files in this folder. And there it is. There's our CSV, our comma separated value file. Now I see it. I can open it. And there we go. Before I do anything else, I want to save this as a workbook. So I'm going to go in the same folder, except instead of saving it as a CSV or comma separated value, I'm going to save as an Excel workbook. Right? .xlsx. Save.